Nak Mukotduma Jingshah Pynïap Rajar ke Vanshi Ngut ketau barbil akhirwar bad lokan rasing tomar Kiba kem halor kanong rem bagi Pynjot ik Sakhi sebut la pelanyo hadin bela pendap ya jing toket bat jing IT ya ka kaipot uba Vivek's aim SP ke East Castles District haba pendap sigilat pthai kubor ka artrek rumpang aja penrio ulang bagi jing kemi kita ki Ngut kelalong hapedeng ke jing dawa ka kam kata hagapor badang ya ki jing toket da ka pendap bala pep ke charge sheet ke ba ar ka Mukotduma Jingshah Pynïap Rajar ke Vanshi ulang ban nak laingot ki bela kem halor ka jing Pynjot ik Sakhi tang uwei belangat ka charge sheet kat ba Ngut la no hadian bak final report ko ong bakim don kti luang bak jing toket la syam batang wei burong kti bak jing shong bishar kan sadan shet merga yang ka shari ka pentri kam sha ye kani shushu na ka tega Mukotduma tang ka sonam ka bala panjamin ya ka bak yang ka shari la kantaj kat ba ki wei pat kim krani ei kham hashwa ki pulet ki la thap e ka charge sheet benung ko hakma judicial magistrate first class sara subdivision court persya esan ngot ki bak do don kti jing Pynïap raja ubal sya Pynïap ka jingwan kai honeymoon chathan sara hau jemang arja option ki pulet kila kadau kertengi ke sonam uba ie chungka raj kushwaha balaingut ki bashimnong ban Pynïap ketau Vishal Singh Chauhan wa Akash Rajput badwanan kurmi kum ki barang keti salla hagaba Pynïap raja.
The second charge sheet has already been filed, and from those three people, the last three people who were arrested for destruction or murder, only one person has been charge sheeted. Others have been actually discharged as final report mistake of fact because of their non-involvement. But circumstances at that time made us, we had to take the step of arresting them. After investigating, we found that only one person is involved. I have not got the thing of when next hearing, but it will be very soon because the court is moving in a fast track and all that. And so I think perhaps in the fortnight, the next hearing will come up.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki Shah plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka Shah plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka Shah plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.